you so much. Shout out. Created a world where insert of heart and you. Ito lang alam ko dito. Decorated my life. Feel it by dancing your love all over my heart. Decorated my life. You decorated my life. Tama na, hindi ko na alam siya. Tama, hindi alam siya. Lucy! Yeah, I don't know that song, but it's okay. Let's continue. I'll be ending siguro after the members. You made me live again. Alright. Thank you, Lucy. I'm feeling so low. You took my hand, it's my mind. I was a stray, you showed me the way, and now I finally found a home in you. As we go, the times I've been through, can you still know what to do? I almost gave up, but you gave me hope. You made me strong as the days went on. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark, with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. You were always there to lend a helping hand when good friends are hard to find. When things went wrong, you made them right. You made my days so bright. You made me live again. I was lost in the dark, with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. You could be, yes, a different me, back on my feet again. I'm not afraid to face the world again, 'cause you taught me how to be strong. You made me live again. You made me live again. Alright. Ay, tapos na pala. Paano yun? Thank you, Embangers! You must love me. You must love me. Try natin ito. Thank you sa pagtansak. Thank you, Embangers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Masakit na kamay ko. Alright.